Money, money, what do you got? Yo, Nate here with Brooklyn Music Factory, ready to take you up to Turbo. Turbo, beginning, intermediate, advanced, turbo round of Complete the Composition drum style. So if you've got a drum like this at home, or maybe you got something from Ghana like this at home, that's awesome, use that. If not, just use your body percussion. You can be dancing, and playing your body. Okay, that's totally enough to make maximum music and play this game. So this is Complete the Composition Turbo Round. It's the most advanced round we got on this playlist. So if you're rocking this, just keep coming back for more every day and you'll be just growing those ears in a huge way, especially your groove. So here's how it works. I ask you a musical question on the drum, and then you answer it. Now, if you're listening to that and going like, whoa, I got no idea, then what you want to do is go back to that beginner round of Complete the Composition drums, because that's probably more your style, and work your way up. But at any rate, we're at the turbo round right now. It's going to last exactly 3 minutes, so I'm pressing start. 3 minutes is the average length of a pop song that you love to play, so that's how long we have to keep our ears open. That's how long we have to keep our musical mind engaged. Game on. Let's see what our tempo is going to be. What's the speed of this game going to be? I think that's a good groove. Here we go. I'm going to ask you a question, and then you're going to answer. Wait for my question to finish before you answer. I call, you respond. I call, you respond. Here we go. We're in it. We're in it. Now we're feeling our groove. Your turn. Your turn. What do you got? That's what I'm talking about. Come on. Come on now. Come on now. Love it. Okay, now we're warmed up. We're feeling it. We got the groove. I'm going to make you a longer groove to answer to. So longer question, longer answer. Wait for it. You got to be patient, musicians. Got to be patient. Let me finish my question. Here it is. Your turn. Yep. What do you got? Come on now. Come on. Money, money, what do you got? Come on now. This is the turbo round for a reason. You gotta be in it. Come on now. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Woo! What do you got? Let's do it. Yeah, there it is. What do you got now? Come on. Ooh, bring it, bring it, bring it. Bring it, bring it. Okay, just a few seconds left. Let's do it. Okay, come on, come on, come on. Come on now, come on now. Let's do it. All right. So what do you got? What do you got? Okay. Come on now. Come on now. Oh, last one. got? What do you got? Oh! Money in the bank. You did it. Whew. Turbo round to complete the composition. Drums. Come play another game with me. We got tons right here for you. Come play more games with me. Love it. You're sounding good.